Well, you read the title, you know what we're doing. Or if you just didn't bother to read the title, or you just don't know how to read yet, we are birding by Subway in New York City. If you have absolutely no idea what birding by Subway means, then basically, I bought the Subway map that goes to different places where you can go bird watching, which is cool. And these are like all these bird symbols are places where you can bird watch. We are going to bird number 1 because 1 is the best and the first number. So how we're gonna do this is we're gonna start here at we're gonna stop being blurry. It's out of focus. Gonna start here at Newkirk Plaza. Take that to 42nd Street, Times Square. Transfer to the ACE, but it's a long walk, so whatever. Then we take the C train to 103rd Street. Then Central Park. You go to cool birding spots. Then we come back down 72nd Street, and we do that same route again. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. Taking the subway to go bird watching. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Let's enter the turnstile. I'm gonna have to go under there. Okay. Alright, let's go downstairs. So yeah, we're taking the Q to the C to go bird watching in Central Park. There's a Q train that's leaving 68. Can we get any cool row signs? Any cool row signs or something? Yeah, nothing. Whatever. Let's just wait for the Q train. Ooh, 3 minutes. Nice.
Let's convert our steps, huh? Or are you recording? Sorry.
And we're on the goal to Coney Island. Actually, we're going Broadway Express to 96th Street, 2nd Avenue. But we're taking it to Times Square, 42nd Street. We're not taking the Q to the S to the C. I want to get some steps in. So we're gonna walk, even though it's underground, and this is a nice summer day, but maybe we'll go above ground, although that would be even longer of a walk. Or what? What? Scurrying? Wait, I hear something. What is it? Oh. Oh, we already bird watched in the subway.
Yeah, we've already started on bird watching.
Already started on bird watching.
You want me to get the magnifying glass out? See what we can find? Or this?
Okay. How many minutes away now? 2 minutes. Feels like it's been longer. Feels like it's been longer than 1 minute. Whatever. Caution, low headroom. Yeah, I can see that. That's a pretty low door. Caution, low headroom. That's a very low door. So I can see why it's low headroom. Should say caution, don't go in or something. But low headroom is also accurate because you'd have to bend down to get in there. That storage room.
What do you think's behind that door?
Well, it says storage, so.
Okay. I can't see that.
Pretty low door, though.
Yeah.
I mean, I can fit in it. I'd still probably have to bend down a little bit.
Cleaning supplies.
Yeah, probably. Meep, meep, meep. That's the sound of a train coming. And it's our Q train, and I know it is. Please be an R46. I'd rather it be an R46 than an R68. It's definitely not going to be an R211 unless there's some route change. But I looked on the queue and it said there's no route changes, so it's not going to be an R211 or anything else. Although it might for some reason. Please be an R46. Oh. Oh my god. Why won't it listen to me? It's an R68, man. I said I wanted an R46. Whatever. MTA gods, I want an R46. Spawn an R46, not an R60. Okay. Now we wait till we get to 42nd Street. Change of plans, people. Instead, we took the Q to decouple to the R to the C, or A. Hopefully the R isn't too far away. By the way, there's a work train there. Alrighty, when's the next R train? Doesn't look like it's done. What's that there? That's cool. Sorry. Is it going to tell us when the next train is?
No, because the gap is right over here. Come on.
Let's just exit out of the station.
I told you, I got free swipes, man. Free swipes? What's that? Doing a lot of work. Station.
Anyway, let's exit. Alrighty. Summer sun. Oh, I can't see the stream while I'm filming anymore. Now we're at J Street Metro Tech. Yeah, okay, I got that.
Free shuttles is on right between East Street and Rutgers Boulevard, making all stops in both directions.
Okay, bud. Okay. CF. A train should be here any minute now. Oh, there's the lights. Hello, R211. that's crowded. Oh God.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
I just have to notice how the doors are just so much wider on the R2 level. I just love filming when the R2 level is coming. Anytime the R2 level is here, just gotta film it because I got it. Because I like the R2 level. Nothing wrong with liking the R2 level.
Very close to it. I took on St. Patrick's Day. I took
I also like how it flashes the camera,
to pass the buttons.
but it's not flashing the camera.
It took us.
This is I Street. Attention everyone. There are over 150 accessible stairways open. Please check and see that this is that elevator or will have elevator back after.
We're in car number 8. Okay, good to know. High Street. Exit this side. Okay, I'll exit this side. Guess I will exit that side, even though I'm not even getting out there. Okay, we have to be blocked by that. Oh my God.
This is a Manhattan-bound A express train. The next stop is Fulton Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Oh. Why don't it's like there's a sound effect on the doors closing, and it's not.
think it's real.
I mean, it's like because it makes the sound of it closing before it finishes closing. Alright, you have to look at it at the next time. Because it doesn't close. Because it just makes not therefore it's not.
It's against the rules and very dangerous to ride or walk between train cars unless it's an emergency or if you're directed to by a police officer or MTA crew member. Have a safe day and thank you for riding with us.
Yeah, never done that in my life. Next stop, Fulton Street. If we get an open gangway C train, that would be awesome. This is next stop Fulton Street. Transfers available to the 2, 3, 4, 5 J train. We're getting off the A at 59th Street, Columbus, Ohio. And we're getting on the C at 59th Street, Columbus. Next stop, Fulton Street. Street.
This is Fulton Street. Transfer is available to the 2, 3, 4, 5, and J train. Connection is available to pass trains. This is an accessible station. This is a 207th Street bound A express train. The next stop is Cambridge Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Anyways, we'll be there at the bird watching station at Central. This is our C train we got off. Bing bong. 179, like the R179. Already?
Oh, look, we have a robin. We're out here birding in Central Park. Spotted a robin. Getting a worm?
There might be some babies in that nest.
There's a nest directly up ahead. See if we can find it. Oh, there it is. Here we are again. Oh, we got two of them right now. Getting closer. Here we go. First day out birding. Gus has his scope. Show us your scope, Gus.
Hi, Gus. What's the bird? I'm gonna watch you now. You watch the birds. Where is he here?
Oh yeah, there you go. Hard to see, there's too much sun, I think.
Whatever. Spyglass. Oh, and I also have a new watch. What time is it? 3:29. Okay.
Oh, there's a bird. Just flew over here.
Oh, there's some on the tree. Guys, we found like I think a robin. Yeah, it's really cool. It's so cool. Oh my God, it's going somewhere. This is so cool. I love bird watching is actually so fun. You should try it out one day. Bye everyone. Subscribe or not, I don't care. If you don't subscribe, that's fine. If you do subscribe, that's great. I don't really care. Anyways, my next video is the hunt for the R211 See you later, everyone. Bye. And as my videos always have to end,